We are going to make this exploding firework origami. You are going to need two different colors. First thing you do is fold it into a triangle. Now make sure you press hard on the creases on this design at every stage. It will come in really handy at tricky parts. So open it up, turn it around and fold it in the opposite direction. Now you're going to fold each corner into the center. Make sure you are pressing hard on those folds. Open that up and then flip it around. And you're going to fold it in half into a rectangle this time. Open that up and fold the right side into the center. And do the same with the other side, fold it into the center. Open it up and I want you to flip it over again and then turn it so that the horizontal lines are visible. Now you're going to use those diagonal lines to push in. Now because of your folds it should happen quite easily, but if it doesn't, just pinch and move your paper around a little bit so that it falls into place. You will end up with a triangle. Now push these sides in. Because of all the folds, this should happen quite easily. But if it doesn't, as you can see, my one on the left is being a little bit fiddly. Just using my fingers to push it where I need it to go. Now flip it over and do the same on the other side. So push up and squeeze in together and it should just fold into place. You will now make 8 of these all together, 4 of each of your colors. I'm going to take a purple and open it and grab a green and open it slightly. And you're going to slot the green into the purple, matching up the folds. So if you look, I've got half that I'm leaving empty and then half of the green I'm matching up to half of the purple. Match those folds up and I'm going to push everything together using the folds to make it flat, and do this after each turn. Now I'm going to open that second part of the green and get another purple and open it up and do the same thing, fold it into that half, matching everything up. And the more you do this, the easier it will get. Fold it all up. And then you are going to repeat with the remaining pieces using your alternating pattern. Now this is probably the trickiest bit and you might need to have a grown-up help you with it. So we're going to form a circle. I'm going to open my purple side and my green side. I want to have the purple on the bottom just because I want the pattern to continue. But if you make it and the pattern doesn't match, you can just take it out and start again. So you can see that these two bits are folded down. I'm going to slot them in together, make sure that that folds down like that. Okay, and then I'm going to keep my hands there so it doesn't fall apart. This part and this part here are going to go together. So move them in, and it is a little bit fiddly. Move them in, just give them all a little squeeze. So you can see I've got green, purple, green, purple. If that isn't the case, just pop them back out and do it the other way. So now I should be able to have my exploding firework. And this is never ending, and you can play with it as much as you want. And yeah, it's so cool.